Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram on your Apple Watch. Yes, you heard me right. There is a third-party app that allows you to watch Instagram posts right on your wrist. In this video, I will show you how to install it and how to use it. Actually, I was so surprised when I discovered this cool app because it's so complete. It has all Instagram features like watching reels, watching posts, you can like, you can comment, you can even send messages to people. Basically, it's a little Instagram app right on your Apple Watch. How cool is that? If you like watching videos about Apple Watch, if you like tips and tricks, different cool apps, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you're gonna need to install this app. Open the App Store and search for Lens for Watch. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by the developer or something like that. I just randomly discovered this app and I just wanted to share it with you. So once you've installed this app, tap on Open. You have to install this app on your Apple Watch. Now, sometimes it may take 1 to 2 minutes, but once you have this app on your Apple Watch, open it on your Apple Watch and on your iPhone at the same time. Then you'll be prompted to log into your Instagram account on your iPhone. You just have to accept cookies and log into your Instagram. The installation and configuration process is pretty simple, I would say. Once the login process finished, you will see this screen, Lens Pro, Tips, Account and Support. Now you can go back to the Apple Watch app. When first opening this app, it takes some time before it loads all of your information, posts, subscriptions, likes, stuff like that, so just be patient. And here we go. I'm really surprised how good it is, so it's actually quite usable. I can watch posts, reels, messages right on my Apple Watch, and it's kinda cool. Okay, some people might say, but why do you need Instagram on an Apple Watch? You know, why not? Just be aware that this app requires to purchase a Pro pack if you want to have all features. Now I'm using a free standard version, I'm just testing it to understand if it's really worth the money. And from what I can see, it's pretty nice. I can even watch stories and it works surprisingly well. Although it's a tiny screen on an Apple Watch, but hey guys, you have working Instagram right on your wrist. How cool is that? Although if you want to have full set of features, you have to buy premium. And thanks God it's a one-time purchase. So I will try to buy it and see if it's really worth the money. So let's purchase the Pro edition. You can choose between different options, $6 or $7. I'll choose the cheapest option because why not? I think it's a fair price for such a cool app for the Apple Watch. $6, one-time purchase, why not? Just make sure that after you have purchased the Lens Pro, you have to tap on Restore the purchase. Restore purchase and it will activate itself. Alright, so now it seems like the app has a full set of features. So I can watch stories, I can browse through everything. And you know what? It's okay. It's not great, but it's okay. Obviously, the screen is tiny, but guys, you can watch stories right on your Apple Watch. It looks like James Bond or something. I have always been a huge fan of Apple Watch apps. I think it's kind of cool to have this tiny interface of Instagram right on the Apple Watch. You know, I just like the concept, and I would like more developers making such apps because Apple Watch still lacks applications. There are still not enough cool apps for the Apple Watch, and I think Apple Watch has a huge potential. Lens for Watch lets you go to your own profile. You can tap on Profile and it will load your Instagram pictures. So you can even see your description, you can watch your stories, you can see the number of posts, the number of followers following. I think this app really deserves $6 because how good it is. When you actually tap on the image, you can see it in full size, you see the location, you can even browse through different pictures. So it looks like it looks like a tiny Instagram, you know, it's definitely usable, okay? It's not a gimmick, it's a real working app, and I like it. Honestly, I'm surprised. I'm impressed. I wonder why Instagram is not making a native Apple Watch app, and I think I know the answer to this question, because inside this Instagram client for the Apple Watch, you don't see ads, you don't see advertisements. So if people would be using this as their main device, well, Facebook will not be making money. And it's actually one of the positive sides of this Instagram app. You don't see ads. There are no ads between stories, there are no ads in images, so it's cool. Just for $6 you can get rid of ads on Instagram. I think this tiny Apple Watch app is definitely very useful when you are sitting on the toilet. You can use your watch to browse through your latest stories, and you can stay in touch with your friends and family, while at the same time not using your iPhone, so it's a perfect digital minimalist device. There is also the Explore section. I guess it's like suggested content by Instagram, and it's full of AI slop, full of weird stuff, but okay, it's also available, so it's a really complete experience. It's like real Instagram. And by the way, I think my Instagram algorithm is kind of broken, because it shows me either girls or weird stuff. And honestly, I feel like Instagram has become such a garbage. It's full of AI slop, it's full of weird stuff, so, you know. But anyway, you can also have access to your messages, and it's kind of working. So you cannot listen to audio messages, but you can send messages and receive messages right on the Apple Watch. And it's definitely a cool feature. But that's not all. You can also see your notifications, people who liked your story, so it's kind of cool. So now let's try to add a comment to a random image. Let's like it, unlike it, let's go to the comment section and let's type something like test. Done. Submit. And yeah, guys, it looks like it's working. It's fully working. Fully working app on your wrist. Because usually Apple Watch apps are kind of limited, they are either garbage or very slow or not working properly, and this one is almost perfect. The interface is familiar, it looks like normal Instagram, everything seems to work properly. You can have access to reels, messages, notifications, stories. Of course, sometimes it can be a little bit sluggish because it's using your iPhone to load the content. But besides that, I think it's totally a usable app for $6. It's okay. I think it's a great value. Again, I'm not sponsored by the developer. If I don't like something, I'll tell about it. If I like it, I'll also tell about it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you wish, let's connect on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram under my name and my surname. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.